We're about to make some peach shakes, and Jonathan is putting gel in his hair because he thinks that he looks like trash. So I'm waiting for Jonathan to help me so we can make these shakes. I think they're gonna taste like Chick-fil-A, but like better because there's a secret ingredient. And I think they're gonna be even better than Chick-fil-A. So let's go. I'll show you. We got ice cream. This is the secret ingredient because they're going to be fizzy. The recipe calls for regular peaches, but I have these in my basement from last summer, so we're going to use these. And that's it. Well, also whipped cream, but that's it. We're going to make some peach shakes. Okay, so this recipe calls for 3 like regular peaches, but like I said, we have the canned kind. It also calls for some honey, but we're not going to use honey because this syrup that I put it in is already sweetened. So we're just going to dump the entire thing of peaches in here with 1/3 cup of ginger ale, and we're going to blend it together. Jonathan's going to do that. Should we give Calvin some ice cream?
No.
Yeah.
For the whole thing, correct?
Yeah, let's just do the whole thing.
That seems like 3 peaches.
Probably.
I'm sure you can adjust it to taste.
And now it's 1/3 cup. So I don't know if you just want to pour some in there.
Like that much?
Yeah.
Probably good enough.
Maybe a little more. We don't measure in this house, clearly.
That looks about right.
I mean, yeah, that's probably
You
right.
can adjust it.
And now we blend that up.
We just blend this up and then we add ice cream?
Yeah, that's what it says.
Oh, yeah.
So busy! Good.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it looks like.
Looks like it.
It looks smooth.
Yeah,
That's what it says.
Julius. Almost.
It's not going to be an orange Julius.
I know.
It's
It'll be
peaches.
peach. But...
A peach Julius. And then it says a pint of ice cream. So, like, not this whole thing. And we got the good stuff.
Man, it's really soft.
Yeah, it's like stay stuff. I mean, probably like, I don't know.
I was going to use a little less than half.
Yeah. Because is this going to be dinner?
Calorie was wise.
Yeah. Because we're not going to... Yeah, that's probably good.
If I can put it back on there. Turn it around so the cord's not in the way this time.
Wow, you're so good. Yeah, maybe. That's probably good. That's probably good.
Is it supposed to be thick or is it supposed to be thin?
It's supposed to be thick. It's not thick enough. So we're going to add more ice cream. We're just making enough peach shake for like a party, even though we're not having a party. Look, it's Jonathan in a lake. I mean, I feel like that's like 2 more scoops and that's got to be good. Like, we can't add that entire thing of ice cream. I mean, Jonathan says we can. Okay, that's good. It doesn't say to like...
Blend it?
Yeah.
Just mix it?
Yeah.
Oh, there's still big chunks.
That's kind of the point, I think.
Really? Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay, we're going to pour it. We'll be back. That one's like, that was good. Okay, I'm gonna let you like pour it all cool. Okay.
With the top off?
Yeah. We're gonna have to take a picture, so like we'll
clean it
taste
up.
it out of this one. I want to taste it before
Mhm.
It says actually you can top it with more ginger ale and whipped cream, or it's like right there.
Tastes good.
Does it?
You want to get a napkin to kind of clean it up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna just give it a little taste. I don't know. I want to put some ginger ale and whipped cream on it. That's it. That was so easy. I put some ginger ale on the top, and then I put some whipped cream on it. Let's go. Here, you taste it. It's way better than Chick-fil-A. Like the one we got at Chick-fil-A. Yeah, it's kind of hard.
It's really good. It's just hard to get out. We
need a straw.
Yeah, you have straws. Much better with a straw.
I think it's way better than Chick-fil-A. Okay, about real talk. This is way better than Chick-fil-A. This is like a 10 out of 10. Also, we got these fluted ball jars from Target. If you're obsessed with ball jars like me. But like I said, you can use regular peaches or the canned kind, because that's what we're about, using what we have in the basement that we preserved from last year. So anyway, that was a super easy recipe, super summery. Have a good 4th of July, and I will see you next time.